In this video, I'll tell you process of joint venture in real estate. If you are a builder, if you are a developer, or if you are a marketing agency owner, or if you are an agent, and if you want to do a good joint venture deal in your surrounding, in your city, in your state, then you have to learn the step-by-step process. I'll tell you the proven formula, the proven technique that can help you to do big joint venture deals. And if you are an investor as well, this video is very important for you. Watch this video till the end. I'm Dr.Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and actor. In this video, I'll tell you 6 practical steps to do any joint venture process. First step is property evaluation. If you really want to become a successful real estate, ultra successful, ultra rich agent, or a real estate advisor or a realtor, and if you want to facilitate this kind of deal, the most important thing what you have to learn is evaluating the property by yourself. You can take the help of a 1 or 2 legal person as well before proposing this deal to any builder or developer. Or as an investor also, if you want to buy, you have to do an evaluation of the property. It means a proper research, a proper legal research related with the documentation of that land, a proper research related with the surrounding, that what projects are coming, is the project feasible or not. You can take a help of a coach or an expert as well. But if you really want to facilitate a big deal, a good joint venture deal, you have to learn the process of evaluation. Evaluating in terms of legal terms, evaluation in terms of growth, future growth and opportunities, evaluation in terms of the current demand, the feasibility of the project, everything. Second step, if you want to facilitate or if you want to complete a good joint venture deal, future growth opportunities in that area. You have to identify that what is the benefit of doing that joint venture. What is the return someone can expect as a builder, as a developer, or as an investor. If you as an agent or a realtor, or if you are facilitating this deal, even if you are a big company and if you want to facilitate a big joint venture deal, you have to learn this step-by-step process. You have to learn that how to calculate or from where to know that what are the future opportunities, what are the future upcoming projects, what are the chances of getting returns, what kind of exact returns a person can get if he's investing as a builder, developer or an investor. Step number 3, which is very important if you want to facilitate a joint venture deal, is trust building. Now, if there are 2 parties which were involved in joint venture deal, or if suppose you are a builder and you are doing it for yourself, then also you have to do an evaluation first. Then knowing the future opportunities, the demand and everything. Then the step number 3 is trust building. Now, if there were 2 parties which were involved in the process of joint venture, one is the one who is owning the land. He had given an offer. Suppose there is a land worth 10,000 square feet and the cost of the land is 10 crores, 10,000 rupees square feet. And a person don't want to sell, but he wants to go for joint venture. And if suppose, take the same example, a builder don't want to invest 10 crore upfront. So he can give an offer of, if suppose on that 10,000 square feet, the normal demand of a 3 BHK flat is in that area is 1.5 crore or 2 crore rupees. And if there were 33 BHKs that were coming on that project, now you have to know the feasibility. That the total project cost would be, if 1.5 crore is the cost of a 3 BHK, multiplied by 30 would be 45 crores. Now settlement deal would be like an owner wants 3 to 4 crore rupees plus 8 to 10 flats. So that if he's going for joint venture, he can get better deal than just buying a land at 10 crores. There were different types of joint venture. Or an owner can entirely go for, just give me 3 crore rupees and I'll be a partner also in the total entire profit of the project, 40% partner. There were several different kind of joint venture that can happen. But before that, you have to understand the entire deal. You have to explain this deal to a builder if you are an intermediate person who is involved in this process. So building a trust is a very important process in joint venture. The moment you can establish a trust, the moment you can build a trust between 2 parties, you can facilitate that deal in an easier way. 4th point is matching the offer. Now, there's one offer which is given by a landowner. There's one offer which is given by a builder. If suppose you are playing a role of an agent or an advisor or a marketing facilitation company. In that case, now you have to match the offer. 90% of the time it happens that the offer which was given by a landowner will not be accepted directly by the builder or an investor. In that case, you have to take offer from both the cases, both the parties, and then you have to convince them that which offer is better for both of them. This is your role if you want to facilitate this kind of joint venture. 5th important point is payment condition. After matching the offer, the next important step in the process of joint venture is payment condition. What kind of payment condition is suitable for both the parties. If payment condition matches, then and only then you can proceed with the next step. Because in the process of joint venture, matching the payment terms, payment tenure, the way of giving payment plays a very important role if you really want to facilitate or complete the joint venture deal. Point number 6, which is very important now, is deal finalization. The moment you follow all the 5 steps which were given in this entire video, then and only then you come to a step where you now have the freedom to finalize the deal by taking the permission from both the parties. Or if you are a builder or an investor, if you are doing this for yourself, if you are investing your own money, even you have to follow all these 6 steps if you really want to facilitate or do a good joint venture deal in your country. And this is very important because joint venture deals are not small. It can ranges from a 1 crore, 5 crore deal to a 5,000 crore deal as well. If you want to learn the entire process in detail and advance, you can contact our team on the below given board line number, or you can fill a form as well, which is given in the description for RGC CEO coaching, where we train and coach CEOs, builders, developers, marketing agency owner, investors to facilitate this kind of big deals, to learn step-by-step process in advance. I hope you like the video. Do hit on like button so that my entire team gets an energy and inspiration to make such kind of problem solving videos for you in future. Do subscribe our channel and hit on bell icon. We don't want you to miss even a single important video that comes in our channel in future. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for liking our book Real Estate Game Changers and making it a national bestseller. We'll meet you in the next video.